Velo the Dino who dreams, wakes with a yawn and a head full of schemes. With a feathered tail and a mighty roar, he grabs his hat and runs out the door. Lumps down, oh, Velo's directors were smart and fast. Oh, Mr. Velo, speedy and bright, fishing at the lake till the morning light, tinkering gears, baking up dough, riding his car, ready, set, go. Mr. Velo, the clever old chap, fixes machines with a twist and a tap, mixes up dough in a steamy kitchen, oh, rolling and baking with claws that glisten. The left side of Velociraptors had claws so keen. Oh, Mr. Velo, speedy and bright, fishing at the lake till the morning light, tinkering gears, baking up dough, riding his car, ready, set, go. Zoom, zoom, zoom in a steamy car, sparks flying high as he rides so far, chef hat on, flour in the air. Mr. Velo's cooking with so much care. Oh, Mr. Velo, hero of the day, inventing, fishing and laughing away. A dino with dreams, a heart full of glow. Let's all cheer for Mr. Velo. Let's all cheer for Mr. Velo. Mr. Velo waves goodbye, off to chase the next blue sky.